Hello student, in this video we talk about the Filmora 12 preferences, right? And for this setting, open your Filmora software, right? And then click on file, and in file you click on preferences. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift and plus, right? And then click on it, and from here you see the window, the preferences. And first the journal, and in journal you change your language, and the by default language is the United States English. So click on it, and from here you change your preferences language, the Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Polish, Korean, French, Italian, Portuguese. All the main top languages are added in this Filmora, right? So from here choose your language and then click on OK to save your language, right? And so first I change the German language, so click on the German and wondershare Filmora Leiden. All the alphabetically change into German from English language, right? You see the German language, right? So it does not know the German language, so we choose the language. First is the English, United States, right? So click on it, and now wondershare Filmora I read is clearly, right? So it takes some time. So the language is changed, and from here the appearance, so it is the dark mode, and when we click on it the light mode, so the mode will be changed. It is the light mode, and this is the system default. So it is the system default, and normally it is using dark mode, right? So I choose the dark mode. Check up for updates automatically every week, every day. So check on every day or every week as you want. Reset all program warnings, and it is a much settings. If you have a Filmora premium software, you have paid some, so click on it and log in to sync on your Filmora account, right? And from here you choose the folders, the download files. From here you click on it, and you also choose this destination. So first I select it, and the destination folder is changed. If I click on OK, so my downloaded file will be goes to in this folder. So from here the temporary files, recorded files, the recorded audio, the uploaded files, and the snapshot on the cloud project files, all the project file and folder you may be changed from here. You choose your folder, right, and your projects and your destination folder will be changed after the clicking on OK. If you does not click on OK, click on cancel, so it will be on by default position, right? And then we click on edit. So the photo duration is a 5 second and transition duration 2 second. When we drag a photo, right, it will be normally a 5 second duration, right? From here it is a 5 second duration. From here you also change it. So first I try it to change it this duration. Sorry, again I open the wrong file. So editing, right, and first I cancel it. No, just right. From here I change it. It is a 5 second. The photo duration when I drag and drop any photo, its duration is 5 second, but now I increase it and it will be the 10 second, right? And then click on OK. So I delete this photo, and again drag and drop any photo from here and then check it. So its duration will be on 10 second. So from here you will control these things from the preferences, right? So it will be the 5 second is just normal, right? And the transition duration is 2 second. So if you want your transition maybe increase or decrease, so from here you 1 second or you maybe 3 second, right? Generally it's sit on 2 second. And freeze duration 5 second, the effect duration 5 second. Photo placement on the timeline edit, just fit on your screen or crop to fit and a pan and zoom. So generally it's set to on fit. And instant mode, split a single track, right? Split all tracks. It's mean that I have one track and I have second track and I have third track. So if I select the single track, so when I trim it, so it just cut this track. And if I select the all trim track, so if I just, so first I see, then editing. So first I select the split all tracks, then click on OK, right? Now when I trim on it, so all the track will be cut. So generally we select the single track, right? Editing, and from here split single track, then click on OK. So generally which track we selected, so we only cut this track, right? Not to the all track. And now open the preferences, the editing, right? The snapshot format is PNG, you may be changed in JPEG. You take snapshot from here, it is our photo or any video, right? And from here you click on it, Control Alt S, you may be take it a snapshot, right? From here you also change the format JPEG or PNG, and from here you also change the save folder destination. Just click on it, desktop, select folder, OK. Snapshot will be done. We check it on it and the snapshot has been done, right? We take a snapshot from our Filmora project. Now again open the preferences, right? And editing snap format, and from here the save folder, you also change your save folder export files, right? And from here you backup my project every 5 minutes. You may be changed to 1 minute and you may be changed to 10, 20 and 30 minutes, right? So generally it's set on 5 minutes. Performance, and from here you also change your system performance, right? If you have a big graphic card, so open enable hardware acceleration. If you are small, so disable it, right? Background rendering, if you enable it, so your file will be automatically render after 10 seconds. You may be increase it and you may be decrease it, right? So generally for smooth experience it will be off. If your system is very powerful, so then enable it, right? But generally it will be off to does not load your system, right? So it is the proxies, all these things. So the major thing I have already discussed it, right? And from here you click on OK and your setting will be set from here. Thank you.